Admiral Davidson said that he believed that China would make their move to reunify with Taiwan forcefully by 2027. So I want to revisit that a little bit, and I want to ask, in your best professional military judgment, do you anticipate that Beijing will attempt to, by force, seek reunification with Taiwan before 2027?
So, Congressman, after having worked for Admiral Davidson, I know he came up with 27 was based on what Xi Jinping said, which was the challenge to his military to be prepared to execute if tasked by 2027. That was foundationally the approach of his comments. Now, for me, it doesn't matter what the timeline is. The Secretary can give me this mission today. So I'm responsible to prevent this conflict today, and if deterrence were to fail, to be able to fight and win. So the timeline, everybody will have an opinion on when it is. I think everybody's guessing. The intent and need for Indo-PACOM, the department, industry, and everybody to go faster will help prevent this conflict.
Let me ask this then. In your best professional military judgment, based on the buildup of the Chinese Communist Party and all their military assets and where we are today with what we bring to the table across the joint force, do you believe that the threat today is greater than it has been in the past?
I believe that the trends for the threat are in the wrong direction.
Okay.
There's no doubt about that. But I will tell you, Congressman, that the United States military is ready today for any contingency.
As you see the future of where China's going, where the United States is going, when do you think the balance of forces will be such that it could motivate China to say, here is our opportunity?
Yeah, I'm not sure that it's a balance of forces issue. I think there's a ton of variables on what might motivate President Xi Jinping to take that action, Congressman, and it's our job to convince him every day that it would be a bad choice.
Based on your best professional military judgment, do you believe that with everything that we are doing, that we will be able to effectively deter China not only now, but also in the future?
I do. China is a near, mid, and long-term challenge for us. So we need to deter today, tomorrow, and the next day. And I do believe we're doing that, sir.